Practices self-check 1.21 method header syntax. We are asked which of the following method headers uses the correct syntax. And this example, what it's doing is it's really helping us start methods, trying to learn the correct syntax that we will be using and that we can expand upon. So super important that we get the basics, and the basic is that we need to start with if it's public or private or any of that. So first we need a public, which all of these have. And then we don't necessarily need a static, but if we have a static, it comes next. So that means A and B are out. And we're just left with C, D, and E. So we can cancel E out because E does not use, or methods do not use brackets like this. They use parentheses, and in these parentheses they can have parameters, which they take in and can return things and use. So it's either going to be C or D. Now, it cannot be C because it does not have a return type. Neither does D though. And the reason why D is okay is because it states it does not have a return type. It states that the return is void. So you always have to have some sort of return. And if it doesn't have a return, it does not work. It'll actually give you an error. That's why C is not the correct answer, which is why it's not the correct answer here. And if we click D and we submit, we'll see that we get the correct answer because it has public stating what it is. We have a static, and then we have the return type void and the name example with parentheses, and then we have a brace. So we can encapsulate all of our code inside of it and make it a part of the method.